I'm currently on the way to Ben's house, the one with the purple G3 and the one we also went to go watch him race in his Commodore, and we're going to be doing a few things to his car. So the first thing we're going to be doing is we're going to be doing coilovers in his race car, and we're going to also be doing stickers for the side of his car, which would be awesome. So he's gone and got well, we're calling it a sponsorship. It pretty much is, from a company that tuned his car, I think it's them. And yeah, so they have gone and given him some stickers to put on the side of his car. So I'm going there now to put some stickers on the side of his car, and also, yeah, we're gonna chuck some coilovers in there. So that'll be good fun. I'm gonna see you guys in 2 seconds when I get to Ben's house. See you guys then. All right, so I just got to Ben's house.
Hello.
So we've got the Commodore in here. Oh, there's the thing there.
Oh yeah. Oh, you're taller than I am. I fit in here just perfectly.
Yeah, well I don't. So we've got the Commodore here, the race car, and we're putting stickers on it we're calling it a sponsor.
We're calling it an in quotation marks sponsor.
Yeah. So yeah, we've got this banner that's going on it. And then we've got side stickers as well.
Yeah, stickers going on the doors.
On the doors, yep, and everything. And then we've got coilovers to put in, just the fronts. The rears, what have you got in it?
The rears are just lowered springs, because the coilovers are just adjustable springs anyway.
And is it struts as well?
I've got struts already in.
Let's get into it, I guess. What are we doing first? Stickers. Alright,
can we like both go like this into frame?
Alright.
Hang on, about here.
Ready?
Hang on, where are they? Right, ready? 3, 2, 1.
Alright.
No, try again.
Alright, so we've gone and we've done the banner for the car. It looks good. It's a bit of a different sort of finish actually, because it's got like, because it was already bent on it, it kind of goes like, I don't know, explain it.
It goes deeper here, then a little bit shallower, then deeper again at the edge.
Yeah, it kind of looks cool.
It's a bit different. Oh, his eyes. Yeah, okay, sure.
Yeah. So now what we're doing is we finished the banner, which looks good. Now we're going to do the side ones, which are these, and I'll record us putting these on. So yeah, let's go. Alright, so we have gone and finished the stickers on the side now as well. We've got the whole thing lined up quite nice. It actually looks really good, do you reckon?
I reckon it looks good.
Yeah,
I like it.
Yeah, so he's got, yeah, it's simple, exactly. And make it look a lot less standard. So we've got the sticker there, where's my finger? There, and we've got the banner there. So I reckon it looks so much better than what it did. And it actually makes it look like it belongs on a track.
Yeah, it looks better.
Yeah, so yeah, we've done the stickers. So now what we're doing is we are about to jack up this side of the car, because we're going to start putting in the front coilovers, and we'll take you through the whole thing. We'll do almost like how to do it in case anyone here has a Commodore that they want to do it to. So yeah, so we're going to start jacking it up, and then I'll go through the whole thing with you guys. So let's get going. Alright, so we've gone and we've jacked up the car. We're going to start doing the coilovers now, and yeah, so I reckon let's just start knocking it out. Let's go. So we'll just have it out, we'll just look a little pro. First try. so we've gone and pulled the bottom out. It was, what size were it with these two?
21 and a 19.
So yeah, it was a 21 and 19 for these. It just slides out basically after that. We're gonna take this line out. We really should do that, shouldn't we?
We should do that.
Alright, so we're gonna take this line out, which we'll figure out now. So we've gone and pulled everything out, like you guys just saw there. What we're gonna do while we're at it is we've got sway bar. What have you got?
The sway bar end link for the front attaches to the back of the strut, so we need to take that off anyway.
Yeah.
Because we're doing the sway bars, so we may as well.
Yeah, so we've decided we may as well do it when we're here. So yeah, we're gonna change all the sway bars and everything while we're here. So if you're just putting coilovers on, don't worry about this part. Just skip ahead to where we put in the coilovers back on. But yeah, all right. So we have gone and taken off the sway bars. The top one, the top bolt.
Sway bar end link top bolt.
There you go. That's what it is. And now we're gonna take off the top hat. I'm guessing, yeah.
Yes.
And yeah, we'll undo that and then figure out what we're doing, because like we seriously have absolutely zero clue what we're doing.
I'm wearing a white shirt.
Same. Mine's wears Wally. As yours. Yours is a space. One of us is going to space. One of us is hiding from people.
Which you could also do in space.
Anyways, we're gonna do what we're here to do. Oh! There we go. You ready? Steady. Bro, all we needed was just 2 hands. That's just because I didn't want to let go of the camera. Damn camera! So after much struggle, we got the sway bar out, which we definitely should have just taken the other side off. Yeah. If you guys are doing sway bars, well, no, you have to do it on the coilovers anyways, don't you, on this car, don't you?
I don't know anymore.
Well, it's connected onto the strut.
The end link goes onto the strut.
Yeah, so you have to take out the struts. Sorry, when you take out the struts, you have to take out the sway bar as well. So what you want to do is, if you're doing them, take both of them out. It's kind of like our cars, but our cars are nowhere near as bad with that sort of stuff. But yeah, you want to take out both of the bottom bolts of the struts at the same time as you do it, or else you're gonna have a lot of struggle like we did. But yeah, if you take out both the fronts, you'll be sweet. Now, should we just take off the other side as well, since we're already here? Yep. So we're gonna take off the other side, do the exact same thing, and then we'll put the new ones on. So with his ones, I'll show you guys when we get it here, but basically we need to transfer this top hat onto the aftermarket ones. Yep. So yeah, we'll take off the other side, and then we'll get the spring repressors onto this, take off the top hat, put that on the new ones, and then same goes on the other side, and we should be good to put them back in. So let's get going.
1 hour later.
Alright, so now we've got both the front struts out. I guess, what do you, front suspension? I was going to call them coilovers, but they're not coilovers.
They're coilover strut suspension, McPherson strut type.
There you go. But yeah, so we've got these guys out. And we're about to compress the springs on them. Got to point them first. Compress the springs on them, and then we're going to take the top hat off, like I said earlier, and then put on the coilovers, and then we're good to put it back in. Yep. And then after that, we have to put the new sway bars in, and then we're done. Yeah. Sweet. So we've gone and compressed the springs on them, and now what we're going to do is take off the top hat and transfer it over to the coilovers. So we're just taking the rest of it off because we got somebody who's buying the springs off of him. Look at the ball bearings here. That's not meant to be like that.
These are brand new when I bought them, the struts.
So we've gone and got the new coilover now. We're trying to figure out how the hot hatch, whatever it's called.
Top hat?
The top hat goes on. Trying to figure out how the top hat goes on. And yeah, so I think we just put a bolt on top of that, don't we?
Yeah, yeah.
So we don't even have to pull anything apart, which is great because it's already set.
The instructions say
everything's already set. Apart. Yeah, we don't have to though.
Look, at this point we're ignoring the instructions, but
yeah. But it should be quite straightforward. We just putting the bolt on top and then bolting it back in the car, and it's literally that simple. So sweet. I'll probably just record us put in them, and then we'll be good, I reckon. Alright, so we've gone and we've put the top hat on both of them. I only recorded us doing one because there's no point doing doing both of them. So yeah, we're going to put the top hat on both of these. We're going to chuck it back in the car, and then, oh wait, hold up, we could do sway bars before we do that.
Yes.
So we're going to quickly do the sway bars now, change to the sway bars, which I'll just do a time lapse of, and then chuck these bad boys, and we should be good. So yeah, let's get going. Alright, so we've gone and taken out the sway bars from underneath. And here's one to the other. So obviously that's the new one and that's the old one.
Much thicker.
Much thicker, yeah.
Much thicker.
Explain what they are.
They stop the car from going sideways by sort of stopping the car from doing that.
Yeah, basically just stiffening up everything.
They connect one side of the car to the other.
Yeah, so it like reduces flex. That's why four-wheel drive sometimes get rid of them, so they get more like flex and everything. That's how they all do that. But yeah, so what brand are they, do you know?
These are White Line.
White Line, yes, sweet.
White Line.
So we're just going to chuck these ones, well the new one obviously, back in the car. And yeah, I'll probably just record us doing that again. And then we're onto the coilovers and finishing all that sort of stuff off, which is exciting. So yeah, let's go. You ready?
Ready. Can't find the hole.
In the hole, Ben.
Down the right hole?
Yep, there you go. Perfect. Wait, a little bit higher. That's it. That side's done, on to the other side, let's go. Ben, do you understand why it takes so much longer to record things while doing it?
Yeah, I kinda do, hey.
So he's been sitting there watching me film putting every single little washer
Every
and
single
nut on.
little washer, like 12 all up.
Yeah.
Every single one. You didn't need to see 12 washers be put onto bolts.
You did, it looks cool.
It does it though?
I reckon it does.
We're just wasting their time.
We are.
We've only got like 20 minutes until they click away to the next video anyway.
20 minutes, what, like 30 seconds?
True.
Both the top hats are now on, so we've finished completely doing them. So now what we're going to do is put the bottom, connect everything else up, which is sway bars, and all that sort of stuff, and then we're done. So let's just get going and finish that, because it is getting dark, or is dark. So yeah, let's get this all smashed out.
Just to line it up, I can do the rest. Left, the corner back. Hurry up! I can't find the hole, bro. I can see it. Done!
Oh my gosh. Oh my god. Alright, so we have gone and put both of the coilovers in. I didn't record doing the other side because I didn't really think there's a point. By the way, the reason why I'm holding this is because you guys are connected to my other camera. So tell me if this camera sounds better or is better quality. This is an M50 and the other one I've been using G7X. But yeah, so we've gone and connected both the coilovers. So what we're going to do is we're going to drop it on the ground, test the heights, and that's about it, isn't it?
Yeah, and adjust the height.
So we'll do that now, and I guess we'll get back to you guys. Alright, so we have gone and put the car on the ground, and how are we thinking?
Looks good.
Looks good. It looks a bit lower. It does look a bit lower.
Only a little bit lower, but it's the performance more than the height.
Yeah, so we've gone and we've done white line sway bars for the front, coilovers for the front, stickers
for the rear and stickers.
And stickers, yep. And yeah, so we've basically done a lot of handling sort of modifications. On the rear, he's not going to bother. Why? Explain it.
Because the coilover on the rear is just a spring with an adjustable height in it. So
yeah, there's no real point spending like heaps of money, is there?
$800, or just get a spring and just be stuck with that height, which I like the height that it's at. So
yeah, exactly. It's a track car, it's not meant to be slammed.
Exactly.
Yeah. So, anyways, we are done doing everything we meant to be doing, which is good. It is currently quite late, 10:50. So yeah, we've got to hang out with the old man for the first time in a long time, to be honest. Yeah. But yeah, thank you guys for watching this video. I will see you guys in the next one. See you guys later.